workers were cleaning the railings, mga ganon.
And your life depended on your cameraman, I suppose?
Yes, you had to. The first lesson was how to get along with your cameraman. Cameraman ko was medyo old, mature, macho. Siyempre, iba yung world noon eh. Ako lang yung babae na reporter at the time. So, puro sila mga macho and mga, mga ganyan, mga brusko. But he was nice and he taught me a lot of lessons. And then the assistant cameraman naman, bata, na medyo tuso, na loko-loko. So, pambungad sa akin ng cameraman ko, ngayon kung UP ka. I didn't take those remarks as insults. I had to learn. Tama naman na bagito ako, kailangan matutunan ko. And these were skills that came in handy later on in life. Sabi niya, matuto kang magbuhat ng, kasi ang dami naming gamit eh. Magbuhat ka ng bag, aralin mo gumamit ng tripod, ng ilaw, and yung mikropono, alam mo dapat, kasi mahirap isaksak eh, the old cameras, di ba? May, channel 1, channel 2, may mga ganyan. So, dapat alam mo kung saan mo isasaksak. And yung lights namin noon, they didn't have stands. You had to hold them, mainit sa kamay.
So, madalas bang pag-iyak mo noon, Jessica?
Hindi naman. Hindi naman. I think I'm tough.